Ranking 5, Kitchen and Dining. Amazon bestsellers. People are buying. Number 5, the perfect pizza pack. Reusable pizza. Storage container with 5 microwavable serving trays. BPA-free, adjustable. Pizza slice container to organize and save, space, color black. Number 4, Owala stainless steel. Triple layer. Insulated travel tumbler with spill-resistant lid and straw, BPA-free. 24 ounces, brown-green. Is the Owala tumbler actually better than a Stanley? This 24-ounce viral Amazon find has a secret 2-in-1 lid that lets you sip or swig. It's 100% cup holder friendly. And the triple layer insulation is a game changer for iced coffee. Number 3, Ello pop and fill. Stainless steel. Water bottle with quick fill. Double-walled vacuum. Insulated metal. Leak-proof. Locking lid. Sip and chug. BPA-free holiday. Gift for him or her. Number 2, HOTEC. 600 degrees. Fahrenheit. Heat resistant. BPA-free. Silicone. Rubber spatula. Set kitchen. Cooking. Spatulas. Baking. Mixing. For non-stick. Cookware dishwasher, safe set of 5. Number 1, fast instant read. Meat thermometer with backlight. Waterproof digital food. Probe for grilling, cooking, baking, and candy making. Kitchen and BBQ essentials. Thanks for watching, link in description.